Hello folks, today I'm going to show you a little bit about working with files and folders on Windows 7. So there are a few ways to do this, and the easiest is to click on the folder icon down here on the taskbar. This is the taskbar that shows all these icons. You also have the start menu, and you could click on computer and navigate that way, or you could just click on documents here. Like I said, the easiest way though is just a single click on this folder icon, and it shows your libraries. And you can create a new library, and you've got several libraries: your documents, music, videos, and pictures. I'm just going to double click on documents. Inside my documents library I have folders, and they are arranged alphabetically, and below that I have files, and they are also arranged alphabetically. So I'm going to click into this Tech Ed folder, and you can see again I've got another series of folders, some more files, all arranged alphabetically, folders first, then files. I want to create a new folder, which I can do just by clicking right here. I could also right click and choose new and folder. The easiest way though is just new folder. It gives me a new folder. It's already selected, so I can give it a name straight away, and I'm going to call it Word. I'll press enter, and it automatically alphabetizes that new folder. So if I click in there, it's empty because I haven't added anything to it, but I'm going to use the back button to go back, and I want to put all of these files into that folder because these are files that I used in my Microsoft Word unit. So I've got this one selected. I don't want to one by one drag and drop them up there, which is how I'm going to get them into this folder. But I've got the first one selected, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and just hold the Shift key as I click on the very last one, and you can see everything has been highlighted. But there are a couple in here that I don't want to add, so I'm going to hold the Control key and click on the ones that I don't want to add. And if there was another one that I did want to add, I could hold Control and click to select it again, but I'm not going to do that. And you can see a couple of PDF files are going to be moved into the Word folder, but that's okay because they are actually Word directions. So now with that selected, I'm actually going to click and drag. So click and drag and drop into the Word folder. Just a reminder, click and drag. You click, hold the left mouse button and drag until you let it go. So I'll double click in that Word folder. You can see all of my files are there. I'm going to go back, and another example I'm just going to show you again. This presentation should be moved into my PowerPoint folder, so I'm going to click it, drag it, and drop it onto PowerPoint. So these are actually folders or files I'm going to leave right here. It's very simple. You click a new folder, you create it, and it starts right away. So that's how you create new folders. It's best to keep yourself organized by having multiple levels of folders and giving your files descriptive names so that you can see what they are when you need to find them again and upload them. You can also see date modified, type, and size. Size doesn't appear for folders, just for files. And you can change the order. Name is selected, so name is being sorted alphabetically. If I click it again, you'll see it's reverse alphabetical now. You can do that also with date modified. Show reverse date modified. And type of folder does work, or type of file does work, but we only have two types here, and folders are always on top. So size would work as well. You can see just the 13 and 19 kilobyte files switched places when I click that a second time. So, but I think sorting by file name is the best way, or folder name is the best way. So that is how you create new folders, sort files and folders, and organize your files and folders in Windows 7.